Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter jelly. Gather 2 slices of bread, a jar of peanut butter, a jar of jelly, a butter knife, and a plate. Start by laying the bread flat and opening your jars, then decide whether to toast or use bread fresh. I will walk you through spreading techniques, portion tips, and healthy swaps so your sandwich is tasty and tidy. Collect your ingredients and tools before you begin to make the process smooth and enjoyable. Choose bread that suits your taste and life. Whole grain adds texture, while white bread is softer. Scoop about 2 tablespoons peanut butter and 1 tablespoon jelly per sandwich, adjusting to preference. Have a butter knife handy for spreading and a plate to hold crumbs and spills while you assemble sandwiches quickly and neatly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling crisp and classic, perfect after carrying groceries or picnic supplies. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Now let's get back to the video. Start by spreading peanut butter on one slice, using gentle, even strokes from center to edges for full coverage without tearing the bread. Spread jelly on the other slice separately to keep flavors clean and prevent cross-contamination in the jars. Press the slices together gently, align edges, and slice diagonally if you like triangles. I will also share quick cleanup tips and ways to pack sandwiches for travel or lunch boxes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.